Hello guys, so welcome back to the SQL section of data engineering with Animesh, and we are picking now the most asked interview questions from the LeetCode. So this was one of the most asked questions in the company, so which is top travelers. So let us jump to the question. So we have two tables, users and ride, where users have two columns, where ID is the column with a unique value for this table and name is the name of the user. Then is the other table rides with three column with ID, which is the ride ID, user ID, which is the foreign key for this table, and that would be connected with the ID of the users table. And distance is the number of distance traveled. Write a solution to report the distance traveled by each user. Return the result table ordered by travel distance. First, we have to order it by travel distance in descending order. And if two or more users travel the same distance, then order their name in ascending order. Okay, so basically, order by would be like this: order by what is travel distance. So I think travel distance would be a name of some column in the output, descending, comma, and name ascending. Okay, let's see the example. Means so how what it does, it first ordered by descending, and then the result of that would be ordered by ascending order from the name column. So let's see, this is users table, this is rights table, and that is the output. So see if Donald, and just see if Donald doesn't have any entry in the right table. Let's see the ID of Donald. Donald ID is 4. You can see 4 did not have any rights, but still we are giving Donald name in the output with travel distance as 0. Meaning we are going for left join in this. What left join does, we all know that it takes all the entries from the left table. Okay. So we have to give left join. So let us quickly write what we have understood from just u left join rights are on, and which two column we need to use. U dot id is equals to r dot user underscore id. Okay, now see what you have to take out from the input to the output. First you have to select name. So select u dot name, because name we will be getting from the users table, right? Now you what you have to do is you have to sum the distance for each user, right? Means suppose the user is have ID 1, which is Alice. So you have to sum the total number of distance traveled by Alice. So suppose there only one time the ride has been made by Alice, because only one entry of user ID 1. So we will give in the output as 120 for Alice. Okay. So sum of what we need to sum, r dot distance. Okay, and what would be the name of this column as travel distance. So I will quickly copy this from here so that I don't make any spelling mistake. And one thing I missed, you have to group by name, because all the sum would be for one particular name, right? We don't have to do a group by in the entire table or take the sum of the entire table. We have to make groups of name, and we have to do sum of the distance traveled as per each name. So I will do a group by and I will run this. There's one more thing that needs to be added, and that I will show. Now, as of now, if you see, this is our output. We are getting null for Donald, but we need to have 0. Okay. So our first thing that we have made clear, that Donald is now included in the output. So our left join is working. To correct this, just do if null. If null is the function that checks if the expression is null, it gives the value that you enter in place of null. So as of now, we need 0. So if null, I will just run this and check. And so you can see we got the correct output, and we will have now 0 for, yeah, okay, we got the same output, right? If you do view more, we get 0 for Donald. So I hope you would have understood this question. It was a good example of left join, because there were some values which were not present in the second table, but we have to take them also into account. And if null is used just to replace the null values with any constant value that you determine. So keep learning. keep practicing, and I hope you would have understood this question. This is one of the most asked interview questions, so keep a note of it, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.